Hi guys, look at this question. The question is 18 square plus 27 square plus 36 square plus 45 square upon 18 into 27 into 36 into 45. And we have to simplify this question without using the calculators. So first of all, we are going to split this 18 into 9 and 2 plus, then write this 27 as 9 into 3, and then write this 36 as 9 into 4 plus, and write this 45 as 9 into 5 whole square upon, now just break this 18 as 9 into 2 into, write this 27 as 9 into 3 into, this is 9 into 4 into 9 into 5. Further, you can split this as, split the powers, 9 square into 2 square plus, here you have 9 square into 3 square plus, here you have 9 square into 4 square plus, here you have 9 square into 5 square upon, now just open the brackets, 9 into 2 into 9 into 3 into 9 into 4 into 9 into 5. Now in these first 4 terms in the numerator, just take out 9 square common. So you have 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square inside the bracket. And in the denominator we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 nines. Just write 9 to the power 4 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, right? Now we have this exponent 2 here and the exponent 4 here. So just 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Just bring this 9 to the power 2 in the denominator. So its sign gets changed. Now just in place of 2 square write 4. Square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16 and square of 5 is 25. Here just subtract the powers, you get 9 to the power 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Now just add these values, this is 4 plus 9, it makes 13, 13 plus 16, it makes 26, it makes 29, and 29 plus 25, it makes 54. Now split this 9 square as 9 into 9 into 2 into 3 into 4 and into 5. Now do the cancellations. This is 9 and this is 6 times 9, right? And this 2 cancels this 3 times, and this 3 and this 3 is cancelled. So you are left with 1 upon 9 into 5, 4 into 5. So when you're going to multiply these three sums, 9 times 4 is 36 and 36 times 5 is 180, and this is our required answer after simplification, and we did it without using calculators. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.